Welcome to Purche Avenue in the city of Gardena. This is a 4-bedroom, 3-bathroom, multi-level home that has been recently updated. Fresh paint throughout, recessed lighting as you enter into the living room with 2-inch faux wood blinds, a nice bay window, and a ceiling fan in the dining area. Plenty of light and air flowing through this house. Has access off the kitchen to the backyard, and a granite countertop with freshly painted cabinetry, a dishwasher, stainless steel sink, a range and a microwave. Refrigerator can be added upon request. Right off of the kitchen, you'll have your first bathroom with a walk-in shower and a granite countertops. Added storage in the hallway, and bedroom number 1 with a ceiling fan and a good-sized closet. 2-tone paint throughout. Walk directly off the hall onto the den, which has recessed lighting and space for office, den, game room, or whatever you like. The next bedroom is the primary suite. This area has a ceiling fan, mini blinds, a large closet under the stairs, and across from it is a walk-in closet that's customized. It also has a door to the backyard for added convenience, and the bathroom has been updated with granite countertops, new tile in the walk-in shower, and a large separate tub with new tile as well, and a lot of extra storage in the cabinetry. As we exit to the backyard, you will see it gets added sunshine and quite spacious. An area in the side for all the trash cans and recycling, and a 2-car detached garage with extra storage available, and a sink and washer and dryer included. Remote control access to the garage. The other 2-bedroom and full bathroom are up the stairs, where you have brand new flooring on the stairs and both bedrooms, ceiling fan, high ceilings, a sliding mirrored door for the closet, and closet organizer inside. Off the hall is the full bathroom with cabinetry and a shower tub enclosure and granite countertops. And the final bedroom also has high ceilings, a ceiling fan, and a large space for closet. This house is located in a great neighborhood of Gardena, close to shopping and the freeways and schools. Beautifully set up so that you could make it your own home. Looking for an immediate move-in? To view or apply, please go to jamico.com.